皆さん、こんにちは。ビッキーです。よろしくお願いします。Hi everyone, I'm Vicky. How are you doing? Alright, today I would like to share these two kanji on the screen. 何人 or 何人. Okay, so first let's look at 何人. Yeah, 何人. Jin is generally related to nationality. 何 means what? So 何人, what nationality?Alright, so let's look at a very basic sentence. リーさんは何人ですか? Our topic, our subject is リーさん, Mr. Lee or Miss Lee, ね, さん, yeah. Okay, so what nationality are you? Yeah, if you ask someone, what nationality are you? Yeah, you can use the family name plus さん. リーさんは, yeah, 山田さんは, yeah, 張さんは何人ですか? So here is the question for everyone. 皆さんは何人ですか? 皆さんは何人ですか? What nationality are you? Yeah, I'm asking about everyone. Yeah, 私の場合、私は中国人です。ね、私は me ね、myself 中国人です。Yeah, so the country name plus 人 here, yeah, it becomes the nationality. For example, these three examples on the screen. 日本、日本人。フィリピン、フィリピン人。中国、中国人。Yeah, so this is how you come up with the nationality. ね、For example, I live in Singapore. Singapore シンガポール、シンガポール人。ね。Alright. はい。Okay, next, let's look at 何人。何人 how many people? 人 it is the counter for how many for people, for people, okay? 何 also depends on how you use it. It can mean what or can mean like how many, okay? 何人 how many people, So here we have this basic sentence pattern. 何人がいますか? Our verb here is いる、います、います the polite style. Okay, remember the Japanese verb is always at the end of the sentence here. It's different from English. 何人、何人がいますか? How many people are there? Okay, いる、います。Alright, have you learned how to count how many people? Over here, we will be quickly looking at how to count 1 person to 10 people. Alright, so here I would like to give you an easier reference. It's about ongyomi and kongyomi of the numbers. Yeah. So over here, the second column, I have the ongyomi for numbers, which is created based on the Chinese pronunciation. And then at the very right, the last column, it is the kongyomi, which is originally created by Japanese people. Alright, so you will roughly notice some of them has a pattern. There isn't, this is just the face rule. There are some specials behind. Yeah, so you just got to remember it because, for example, the first one, the second one, it is a special one. Yeah, one person, hitori, hitori, two persons, futari. Yeah, you just have to remember there's no pattern. However, the 3, 4, 5, yeah, see, 三人, nin. You remember our counter nin here, 三人. Then 四人, 四人, 4 people. Then 5, 五人, 5 people. 5 people, 五人. Alright? You see, I would say you want to ask why they don't use the kongyomi here. I believe using the onyomi here is much, my guess. It's much easier to pronounce. However, the number 4, why they use yoni instead of shi? Because the shi is the pronunciation basically close to the sound of the die, shinu. Yeah, the dying, shinu, die. So it's isn't a nice way to use し here. So I suppose later slowly they use 4人. Okay, 4人. Alright. So for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is all using the counter 人 here. For example, 6人, 6 people. 7人, 7人. Over here it's 7人, not 7ね、7人. Okay, number 8, 8人, 8人. Number 9, 9 people, 9人, 9人. Then number 10, 10 people, 10人, 10人. Alright, so over here you see if you have already learned the time and the months of the year, you would know the 9時, 9 o'clock, or 9月, September. Yeah. However, we don't say 9니, right? That really sounds very, very good. So I suppose slowly they change to 9니, 9니. Okay, so this is the how to count from 1 person to 10 and to 10 people. Okay, so how about 15 people? Or how about 16? Over here we have 6 here. So basically our 10 is 10, right? 10 here is 10, and then 6 is 6. So that means it's 16人, right? 16人. So this is how you can come up with different numbers. All right. Hi. Okay, so this is today's sharing. I hope it is useful to you. If you like, please remember to subscribe and follow me on the Facebook. Thank you for watching. またね. Have a great day.